Hello students, today we will discuss structure of an analytical report. The structure of an analytical report is difficult to organize. It is designed to lead the audience to specific conclusion and recommendations. Choice of structural approach depends upon the reaction you are going to face from your audience. First, you are to check what type of audience you are going to face. So, we are talking about two types of audience. First is receptive audience, and second is skeptical audience. Receptive audience. When you expect your audience will agree with you, use a structure which focuses attention on conclusions and recommendations. Skeptical approach, skeptical audience. When you expect your audience will or can disagree with you or to be hostile, use a structure that focuses attention on the rationale behind your conclusion and recommendation. Now, for that, you are to focus on logical arguments by which you can win the heart of the skeptical audience. Now, what type of logical arguments we can use? So, how you can focus on logical arguments by using scientific methods and yardstick approach. The scientific method, it begins with the statement of a problem. It may be a question. Then you are to collect possible solution by preparing hypothesis, and for check that hypothesis you are to do experiment. Like here, if you are to collect all the possible solutions, then you are to take one solution and you are to do experiment whether that solution is good or not, is it possible or not. Then after that you are to observe your experiment whether it is fruitful or not. You are to analyze your hypothesis, your possible solution with the question, with the problem. Then you are to present your conclusion, and if you are finding that conclusions are not in favor of you, then go back and now repeat the same thing again. You are to select next possible solution, then you are to do experiment with that solution, and you are to observe what are the findings out, and you are to analyze those findings out, and you are to conclude. So this the process is called scientific method. At the end you are to present a summary which can be finding out of conclusion and recommendations. Now next is yardstick approach. Yardstick approach, it is also very usable approach in report writing. The yardstick report is one that looks a multiple solution to a problem. Again, like this hypothesis is given here, so you are to assess multiple solutions by defining the criteria with which a solution is chosen, each possible solution in them explained, and a recommendation is made. Basically, the yardstick is the way to measure several solutions to see which is best for a particular problem when there is more than one option. One point which is important in yardstick approach is that you are to go to every client and collect their requirement. Now these all the things I am giving the example for giving the understanding of all these things, because yardstick approach, it looks like the same as the scientific approach. Here what is the main difference that we are going to clear here? So one point, I am just taking the example. One point which is important in yardstick approach is that you are to go to every client and collect their requirements and complaints, or maybe every information. So you are to go directly to your client, you are to take all the requirements, you are to take all complaints from them, you are to assess every information from them which is which is related to the topic of your report. Now you will take their problems, requirements, or their complaints one by one and tell the proper solution which can be possible. Now they will not criticize your points, as the audience is skeptical in nature. We have already discussed, when you are finding skeptical audience, then you are to use either scientific method or yardstick approach. Now as we are discussing yardstick approach, if the report writer is writing his report according to yardstick approach, then he will go to the clients, he will assess every problem from there, and every complaint and requirement if they have, then they are to prepare, then he has to prepare a report according to their demands and their requests and complaints. So at this time audience is very skeptical, but they'll be in favor of you, because now they will understand that each solution has been given according to their demands, complaints and requirements. They will give weightage to your work. It looks real and apparent. It looks very much clear and real also, because it makes your communication very fruitful, as it shows that your report really, you have done a good job, you really have done efforts to make this report very much authentic. Steps of yardstick report. Now let's discuss the steps of the yardstick approach. Identify the problem at the beginning of the report by clearing stating the problem. List all the possible solutions to the problem. Define criteria by which to choose a solution. Compare each solution and make a recommendation. Now these all are the steps of the yardstick report. So now we have discussed the structure of an analytical report. Tomorrow we will discuss the structure of a formal report. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and stay tuned at your home.